Installing new slider windows is an exciting upgrade for your Orangeburg home. Not only do slider windows offer a sleek, modern appearance, but they're also known for their easy operation, great ventilation, and wide views. Whether you're replacing old windows or installing them for the first time, understanding the installation process can help make the experience smooth and stress-free. Here's a helpful overview of what to expect during slider window installation in Orangeburg, from start to finish. Step 1. Consultation and window selection. Before anything is installed, you'll meet with a local window professional to discuss your needs. During this consultation, you'll review your home's layout and style, your energy efficiency goals, the available styles, sizes, and frame materials for slider windows, budget consideration. This is also the perfect time to ask questions and explore customization options. Many homeowners in Orangeburg choose vinyl or fiberglass slider windows for their low maintenance and durability in our southern climate. Step 2. Pre-installation measurements and inspection. Once you've selected your windows, a technician will come to your home for precise measurements. This ensures a perfect fit and a seamless installation. They'll also inspect the current window frames and surrounding structure to identify any damage, rot, or structural issues that may need to be addressed before the new windows go in. This step is crucial, especially in older Orangeburg homes where frame wear and moisture exposure may have weakened the original structures. Step 3. Preparation on installation day. On the day of installation, your contractor will take steps to protect your home and belongings. This may include moving furniture away from window areas, laying down protective coverings over floors and furniture, taping off nearby walls or fixtures to prevent dust and debris from spreading. They'll also advise you to temporarily remove window treatments, like blinds or curtains, ahead of time. Step 4. Old window removal. The first physical step of the installation is carefully removing the existing windows. This involves unfastening the old window sash and frame, inspecting for hidden water damage or mold, cleaning and prepping the opening for the new window. Professionals will take care not to damage your surrounding walls or siding, and will haul away the old windows as part of the service. Step 5. Installing the new slider windows. With the old window out, the installer will fit the new slider window into place. Here's what typically happens. The new window is set into the opening and level. Shims are used to make sure the window fits snugly and securely. The window is anchored into the frame with screws or brackets. Weather-resistant insulation is added around the edges to prevent air or moisture infiltration. An exterior caulking is applied for a sealed, finished look. If your slider window has multiple sashes, the installer will also ensure they glide smoothly and lock securely. Step 6. Cleanup and final inspection. Once the window is installed, your installer will remove all tools and protective covering, clean up any debris or dust created during the process. Test the new windows with you to ensure everything opens, closes, and locks properly. Go over warranty information and care instructions. This final walkthrough is your opportunity to ask questions, point out any concerns, and learn how to care for your new slider windows. Enjoy the benefits immediately. Once your slider windows are in place, you'll quickly notice the difference: improved airflow, easier operation, enhanced curb appeal, and better energy efficiency. Many Orangeburg homeowners also love the expansive view slider windows offer, making them perfect for living rooms, patios, and kitchen areas. Ready to upgrade? Whether you're modernizing an older home or replacing worn-out windows, slider window installation in Orangeburg is a smart investment. Partnering with a local, trusted installer ensures the job is done right the first time, with minimal disruption and maximum results.